Hello, how to solve a power a equals 39. Now we are going to make use of a special function which is called the Lambert W function. Now this function is represented using capital letter W, and it can be applied in an expression such as if you have a times a power a and the result will be a. You can also apply it when you have numbers, maybe 3 times a power 3, and the result will be 3, just like that. So this is what we are going to use in order to solve this particular exponential equation. That means we need to convert this left-hand side of this equation to something like this so that we can apply the Lambert W function. Now let's go ahead and do that. So we are going to make use of natural log. I have natural log of a power a equals natural log of 39. Now remember, you apply the properties of logarithm to natural log. So if you have log of x power y, this equals y times log of x. So that means the a here will come behind this natural log because the properties of log can be applied to natural log. Remember, log is to the base of 10, while this is to the base of e. Don't forget that. So the a comes behind natural log. We have a times natural log of a equals natural log of 39. So right now, if you multiply this out, you have a times natural log of a equals natural log of 39. Now, this left-hand side is yet to appear in this way. And this is how we want it so that we can apply the Lambert W function. What do we do? Now, let's consider this identity. If you have e power ln of x, this will definitely give you x because the e raised to the power of ln is 1. Now, considering the fact that we have a here, I can easily replace this a with e power ln a, meaning that the e to the power of ln will cancel out and I have my a left. So let's do that. So what we are going to have left here will simply be e power ln a times ln a equals ln 39. Now, don't forget the fact that we are still trying to model this, especially the left-hand side of this equation, to replicate this. So right now, and if you consider this particular equation, this left-hand side of the equation, the ln a must actually come first before e power ln a. So I have ln a times e power ln a, and this equals ln 39. Now, perfectly, the ln a here is exactly what we have here. And this actually satisfies the condition that what we have here must be exactly what we have here at the exponent. Look at it here. The 3 here is what we have here. The a here is what we have here. So we can then apply the Lambert W function. I can have the Lambert W function of ln a times e power ln a equals, I need to also apply it here, the Lambert W function of ln 39. And don't forget the fact that once you apply the Lambert W function here, the result will simply be what we have here, which is the ln a, and this equals the Lambert W function of ln 39. So right now, we are solving for a. I need to eliminate this ln, then I need to bring in e. I have e power ln a equals e power the Lambert W function of ln 39. So what happened here is that the e can eliminate the ln. So I have e equals e power the Lambert W function of ln 39. So this is the solution to the problem. Now, if you want to have that approximate values or those values of a that will satisfy that equation, you are simply going to type in this into your calculator. You have e to the power. You might not necessarily see this capital letter W in your calculator or scientific calculator. What you will likely see is what we call the product log. The product log or product logarithm is another name for the Lambert W function. So you have e power the product logarithm of natural log of 39. Once you type in this into your calculator, you are going to have some values, and those values will represent this state. And what you likely have from what I've done so far is 3.172, then you have 893, then you have 276. These are the values that will come out after inserting this into your calculator. So this is the values of A that satisfies that equation. So if you have A power A equals 39, it simply means the 3.172 something, 3.172 raised to the power of 3.172 will give you an approximate value of 39. That is the meaning. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it. And don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Share this video to your friends. Thank you and see you some other time. Goodbye.